Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This is an intraday video, however it is very late of course for an intraday, but as we said I'm a little bit busy this week and also nothing really happened rather than what we said in the daily analysis today. In the indicator analysis, this was exactly what I was meaning about, like we're gonna see a little bit higher prices. And as you can see, guys, we have already broke our blue channel so far towards the upside. However, I know that we broke it, but don't forget that the retracement is still very shallow, because if you are retracing here as a wave B after having three waves towards the downside, like A and then B and then C, the retracement taken from the fibs, of course, starting from this point, we did not really reach a very, very deep yet, and we only passed the 0.23, and it is, of course, possible still to get onto the 0.38. However, I don't see any really momentum here for higher prices, to be honest. Like on the 15-minute chart, I mean, I know it looks high, but it looks a little bit slow, and of course without any momentum yet. Now possibly this is 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but yeah, I mean, it's not really strong, guys. So it might reverse at any time. It might be an A, B, and a C with an extended wave C, where it is needed actually, because we need to dive a little bit deeper inside the fibs, right, as a wave B. And that makes it, I mean, whether it is done or whether we are looking further here, what we are looking at, probably that a finished impulse towards the downside, and we are looking to an A, B, and a C, of course, as a zigzag, which we saw on the lower time frame, and possibly continuation towards the downside. Now, why I'm saying this, because as we go on the 4-hour chart, we said yesterday that, okay, this might be two things, right? It can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished here as wave 1. And we need a wave 2 in yellow, as you can see, and then 3, 4, 5 continuation. Otherwise, it is a finished 3 waves, right, as A, B, C, and then you have A, B, C internally, and then a finished diagonal here. So it makes it, of course, a 3 waves corrective. In that case scenario, of course, then you are looking for an impulse towards the upside. However, if this impulse doesn't unfold further and it doesn't show momentum, and it keeps like showing like not really clear signals. Now we can see on the 5-minute, of course, it is 5, and then 3, and then a very long wave 1, and then this for me so far looks like a zigzag, but it can still be, of course, unfolding, guys. It can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, a very short wave 5, which make it a wave 3, and then 4 and a 5, right? So it can still be, and then transforming all of this to a wave 1, and then having a wave 2, and then moving up again. Even your wave 2 can be shallow and not, and using the correction again as a support, and moving up again with an impulse, right? We might still, in a potential, of course, where the price or the market can flip towards the upside, guys. So to be watched. However, the momentum still very slow for me. I don't see that it is really strong impulse. Of course, it is still Sunday. However, now the Asian market has opened. It might not, of course, affect it so much, but however, if we don't see a good momentum and a finished impulse as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, therefore, guys, of course, this was an A, B, and a C, an extended wave C, and then we might see continuation towards the downside for the start of the next week. And that because, of course, we have a finished impulse already towards the downside, and we might continue. On the opposite side, if we see a finished impulse and so on, therefore I would consider this as finished A, B, C, and then of course continuation towards the upside, at least to retest our acceleration channel. So that was it for Bitcoin intraday, and those were the updates, and not so much, but yeah, it gives an overview where are we, what we are looking for. Thank you for your likes and for your comments, and yeah, for your kind words as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye.